Welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is navigation commands in Selenium. Navigation commands in Selenium are used to control browser movement just like a real user. Selenium provides navigation methods such as navigate, go to URL, navigate back, navigate forward, navigate, refresh. These commands helps us to move between pages during automation. In real projects, navigation commands are used when user moves between pages. We validate backward and forward navigation. We refresh the page after updates or submission. Navigation commands are part of WebDriver core and are commonly used in real test scenarios. Now, I will show you a simple navigation example. First, Selenium opens the application, opens the Cogmento CRM application, then it will try to print the title, navigate to the example.com website. It navigated back, it navigated forward, and it did a page refresh. Then, if I try to enter, it will close. So, navigation commands allows Selenium to move through the application like a real user. Next, we will see difference between close and quit. Thank you.